We begin with a look at a cloudy downtown on a day that's getting colder by the hour. Plus, we are still dealing with the effects of the storms and heavy rain overnight. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Christine Sorensen in for Barry Pintar. KDK First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley joins us now. Ron, a lot of people looking forward to the weekend.
Yeah, they certainly are. But first, we're having to deal with some rain that's still just kind of sticking around. We do have the flood warning that is now sticking into the afternoon. In fact, early this morning, that only went to 7:15. They extended it to 10:30, and now it's going all the way past 5 o'clock. You can see the totals that are coming in. This is over the last 24 hours, but most of this started after 7 o'clock last night and just stuck around through the overnight hours, including more than 2 inches at Pittsburgh, West Mifflin area, 2 and a quarter when it comes to the rain that we saw. And this is on top of what now is the record-setting month of March when it comes to the rainfall that we have seen from start to finish. So we have already seen the record. We have more rain on the way coming in on Monday. So we do have the flood warning. It goes all the way up until 4:30 this afternoon. We continue to see ongoing at this point some flooding out there in some spots. Still a little drizzle may be possible this afternoon. That's going to be about it, and all the moisture down to our south. Let's talk about your temperatures. We're at 36 right now. We've already seen our high. I do think we'll get back to the 40s just barely, put us at 42 coming in at around 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll cool down, very cool in the overnight hours, and that cool air it's sticking around this weekend. More on that and your forecast for spring breakers next week, here locally at least, coming up.
All right, thanks, Ron. Parts of our region are dealing with some serious flooding. Right now, Chris Hoffman is in Cecil Township checking out reports of flooding there. Chris, what are you seeing?
Christine, this is Georgetown Road right in Cecil Township, and this is the definition of why we always say turn around, don't drown. You can see that car, they're just stuck in the middle of where Georgetown Road and Valley Brook Drive kind of meet right under this overpass here. Now, in speaking to 911 dispatch for Washington County, they do say that there was no calls of a rescue or transport, so they do believe the person in here got out on their own. But this car's been sitting here about 5 or so hours. They said it was about 6:45 in the morning. You can see the water going all the way up to the emblem there, the logo, right on the hood. So that just shows you how deep this water is. And you can see water is still coming down the hill, dumping into pretty much this reservoir at this point. It's not the only area, though, of Washington County dealing with issues. Ball fields in the Houston area, they were flooded, turned into a lake this morning. There was also issues in South Strabane Township on Locust Avenue where a landslide happened. Now, back here in Cecil, there's also issues according to the first responders out here. They have Hahn Road. It's closed. They also have, again, Georgetown Road here. It's closed. It's one of the main thoroughfares through this area. So they're reminding people, if you see road closed signs, obey them. If you see water, turn around, because this is a prime example of where we're standing to where that road continues over there. It looks like this is just a nice, flat, straight line, but it's clearly not, as you have this big pond of water here right now because the hill keeps going down. So this is why we really say turn around, don't drown, because you don't know if the road's going down. You don't know anything because you can't see through this water. So again, stay safe out there if you must be out. We'll have more this afternoon. Live in Cecil Township, Washington County, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.
Yeah, definitely good advice there, Chris. Now, Cecil isn't the only area with flooding. This is in Houston, Pennsylvania. Chartiers Creek flooded its banks this morning, and as Chris mentioned, the nearby Houston ball field along Bishop Street flooded. Now, the flooding also jeopardized the memorial at the site of last weekend's deadly crash in Westmoreland County. This morning, community and family members raced to Creek Road in Sewickley Township to save as much of it as they could. This is the site where 4 teenagers were killed early Saturday morning. Friends and family have visited the site every day since, adding to the growing memorial. They plan to put it back up once the water has gone back down.